So, friends, let's discuss the recent Nepal protest. In Nepal protest, one thing that we saw is about the Zenji. So it was very much in news कि भाई ये Zenji है कौन, क्या चीज़ें होती हैं ये. So let's discuss this generation and about the Zenji. See, if you are talking about the Gen X, तो जनरेशन X जिसको हम बोलते हैं, उनकी पैदाइश 1946 से 65 के अराउंड हुई थी. और इस टाइम पीरियड में जो पैदा हुए थे जो लोग, जिनकी आयु अभी अराउंड 61 से 80 के बीच होगी, दे आर कॉल्ड जेन एक्स और जनरेशन एक्स. देन आफ्टर कम्स मिलेनियल्स बेसिकली जेन वाई और जनरेशन वाई. ये जो इनका जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ होगा और इनकी जो पैदाइश होगी 1965 टू 1980 एंड करेंटली 2025 में इनकी जो आयु होगी वो 45 टू 60 के अराउंड होगी. उनको हम बोलते हैं मिलेनियल्स, दैट इज़ जनरेशन वाई. नाउ कम टू जेन जी, दैट मीन्स जनरेशन जेड. इनकी जो पैदाइश हुई है वो 1997 से 2012 के बीच हुई है. तो करेंटली इनकी जो आयु होगी 13 से 28 के बीच होगी. इनको हम बोलते हैं जेन जी, दैट मीन्स जनरेशन जेड. नाउ अनदर जनरेशन हियर इज़ जेन अल्फ़ा, दैट इज़ जनरेशन अल्फ़ा. इनकी जो पैदाइश हुई है 2013 से 25 के बीच. 2025 में इनकी आयु होगी 0 से 12. सो नाउ कम टू नेपाल प्रोटेस्ट. नेपाल में जो अभी प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, इसमें जो रोल प्ले किया है जेन जी ने किया है, दैट मीन्स जनरेशन जेड ने किया है, दैट इज़ 1997 टू 2012 के बीच. इनके कुछ फीचर्स हैं जो हमें समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है नेपाल के प्रोटेस्ट के लिए. ये जो जनरेशन है इस दरमियान जो पैदा हुए हैं, दे आर वेरी मच एक्टिव इन सोशल मीडिया. First, second thing is they are very much non-conventional. If we'll talk about the millennials, if you ask any millennials about the corruption, they will say, oh, because the system is whole corrupt and that's why all things are going on. इसी वजह से हमें ज़्यादा इन सब चीज़ों में पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और जैसी चीज़ें चल रही हैं चलने देते हैं. बट इफ़ यू विल आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन टू जेन जी, दैट इज़ जनरेशन जेड, they don't hesitate to give their opinion and they openly criticize corruption. They openly criticize any kind of discrimination happening in the government. So in Nepal what was happening, that it is said कि in Nepal, because unemployment was very much high, and secondly what happened, nepotism was very much high. Nepotism was high, unemployment was very high, and the government was not the government of the people, because the representation of the people was lacking. And that's why there was a kind of resentment among the Zenji. And it was like the revolt of 1857. You will see there were several reasons of 1857 revolt, but the immediate cause, what was the immediate cause of 1857? Likewise, the immediate cause of Nepal's protest was the banning social media. Around 26 social media apps banned by the government, in which you have Facebook, you have Twitter and all key sites where people were interacting and giving their views, opinions that the government is not working correctly and they are promoting nepotism and all these things. Unemployment is there, too much unemployment, there is no formal sector job. So all these they were discussing on social media platform, but the government banned those around 26 platforms. And due to that it became the immediate cause of the protest in Nepal, and resultantly it basically brought revolution in Nepal, and basically the government has to step down. So it was the main reason. Thank you.